Welcome back. We're going to be cooking lunch now. I'm still here. Grease up the pan. Non-stick do be sticking. Now, if you did that, we're gonna take out our stuff. Alright. Egg McMuffin. I think that's what they call McMuffins. English McMuffins. English muffins, yeah. English muffins. Not egg McMuffins. Nah, this ain't McDonald's. I like the griddles, McGriddles. Those are my favorites. Other than a sausage, this is sausage biscuits. You know, keep it old school with just a sausage biscuit and some those grape preserves on there. It'd be so good, so good. I knew that it would. Dum, 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 dum. I'm infusing this with sausage biscuit energy, just so you know. Alright, so first we'll put some butter, light butter, on our English muffin. Let's turn on our aisle so that it'll be hot so we can toast our English muffin. You know, get a little fancy around here, toasting the English muffins. I really wanted to go to Waffle House though this morning. Not gonna lie, I so wanted to go to Waffle House. I wanted some steak tips. I wanted some steak tips. I wanted some cheesy grits. I wanted a waffle. I was craving this morning. I woke up craving. But no, I did not go to the Waffle House. I stayed on meal plan. Yep, stayed on meal plan, had my overnight oats. Yeah, so I do overnight oats, half thing of oats, half cup of oats, and 2 scoops of protein powder. Milk, Splendor is what I'm doing now. A little salt, pinch of salt. Every time I add that salt, I think I'm really doing some stuff there. Every time I add that salt, I'm doing some shit. ground turkey, cheese. It's fat-free cheese. I didn't realize that was a thing either. I saw it in somebody else's video, and I never saw it actually in stores for myself until I actually saw it. I only find it in Walmart. I don't find it in Kroger's. So right now we're going to do 6 ounces of turkey. I used to do 8, but cut down just a tad. Just a tad. Because the weight I'm trying to maintain is 240. So I'm trying to get 240 grams of protein every day. And I was getting a little bit too much with like 250, 260. Which, you know, wow, I never thought I would have that problem, that I was getting too much protein. But it happened. It happened. So, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. Oh, that's 6 on the money. I was gonna say something else, but I am on TV. 6 on the money. Alright, now we can flip our bread. Follow me. I left it in there too long, not gonna lie. But obviously I'm still gonna eat it. And it's still gonna count as my calories and carbohydrates, fiber. It got 8 grams of fiber in this thing. 8 grams of fiber. That's another reason why I get it. It's not only calorie friendly, it has fiber, which is good. That's what they say, you know. Fiber is good. So weighed out my meat, getting that going. Got my eggs here, so I'm golden right now. These chia seeds get everywhere. Like they stick to you. At least they stick to me. These chia seeds just get everywhere. Alright. Let's take our bread out. Now we're going to put our meat in. The meat is already cooked, but it's been in the refrigerator, so I'm just heating it up really. Yes, that is my fire alarm. I got the hood vent on and everything. It's not hooked up to the call system, so it's not gonna call the fire department. There's not really a fire in here, so cool down, cool your jets. See it shut off by itself. salt, some pepper. A little garlic powder in here. I'm gonna put a little garlic. Take it up a notch. Bam! Alright. Well, that's going. So switch over here, please. Thank you. While that's going, we're going to put cheese. Serving of cheese is 28 grams. It's also 9 grams of protein. So 28 grams is the serving size. So let's measure it up. 19. Ooh, it's almost, it's 27. 27. Oh, 28. Boom. Right there. Love it when a plan comes together. Alright, so that's 9 grams of protein. 6 ounces of turkey, which is 2142 grams of protein. I put 2 eggs in there, which is 6 grams of protein. Y'all don't hear me. The high protein meal is what I'm saying. I got my carbohydrates. I don't have my fats though. I need to turn this down just a smidge. It was a smidge too high. And it was a smidge too high. But, you know, live and you learn. Make sure we get it right down the money next time. It's fine. It's all good. All good. We're going to cover that so it can melt. And we're going to be good. You know, we had the fire alarm go off, but as you can see, there's no fire. All we're going to do is let this melt. We're good to go. See y'all on next time.